Good morning, children. All of you took out your social study readers, and we begin with lesson number 19, Need for Cleanliness, and we turn to page number 145. Yes, we finished over here, one Mahotsav over here, and we continue from here the Chipko movement. The Chipko movement began in 1973. It was a non-violent movement, to save trees. The followers of this movement decided to resort to tree hugging or chipko. This is, you see this chipko movement, tree hugging. So it was a movement which was started in 1973, and it was a non-violent movement. And this, why this was started, this was to save the trees, and the followers of this movement decided to resort to tree hugging or chipko. This movement was being launched to increase the forest, which was decreasing very rapidly. They started this movement. Launch means they started, means they began. And why they started this was to increase the forest, because the trees were rapidly decreasing. How they were decreasing? Because they were cut down. They were being cut for the wood and all. So they started this to increase the forest, which was decreasing rapidly, which was becoming very less, but because the trees were cut down. Now you see this Chipko movement. Okay, the Chipko movement was awarded the Right Livelihood Award in 1987. Several activists such as Gaura Devi, Bachchan Devi, Sundarlal Bahuguna, and others played vital role. Means these were all the people who played vital role. Means very important role they had to make this movement successful, to make it very successful, so that it started and the beginning is given, and it should really be a good one, a successful one. Sundar Lal Bahuguna was awarded the Padma Bhushan in 2009 for his service. So he was awarded the Padma Bhushan award. That was in the year of Sundar Lal Bahuguna was awarded the Padma Vibhushan award in 2009 for his service. Okay, children. Now this much you have read it out, and it is very simple. Here you can see the pictures. Who are the followers who had started? These are the activists, yes, and this is the Chipko movement. Now read this lesson well and start learning everything. Now you will learn this quickies also. Yes, you will learn this also. Let us revise. These are all one word answers for yes, no, true and false. This is will come for meaning. Now we begin with multiple choice question. Choose the correct option to answer the following question correctly. We should keep our surrounding neat and clean, both A and B. We should throw garbage in a dustbin in the open on the road. We have to throw in a dustbin, put a tick on it. Compost pits should be used to dispose of garbage in urban area, rural area, metro cities, rural. One Mahotsav means the festival of trees, the festival of light, the festival of colors, the festival of trees. Now you'll read this question, you'll read the lesson, and you'll find the answers and you will learn it. Now read the following statement carefully and mark right on the true and wrong on the false. We should not keep our surroundings spick and span. False. Plastic bags should not be used more and more. False. Plastic bags should be used more and more. False. We should plant more and more trees. True. Sundarlal Bahuguna was awarded Padma Vibhushan in 2009. True. Okay, now turn to the next page. Fill in the blanks with the help of the words given in the help box. These are the help box. We'll choose the correct word and we'll write. We should not throw household refuse. Yes, here and there. Yes, here and there. We should always use jute bags. We should brush our teeth regularly. One Mahotsav began in our country in 1950. So see that you learn this thoroughly. Correct Correctly match column A with column B. This is column A and column B. We should not use plastic bags. Before eating food, we should wash our hands properly. One mouth serve means the festival of trees. The Chipko movement began in 1973. So now children, revise this lesson very well. We have finished up to here for our final examination. Now I want you to revise lesson number. All these lessons, we have finished, yes. Now you will revise your lesson number. Write well. uh, Social study for your half yearly. Lesson number 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay. Lesson number 12, 13, 14 and 15. Start learning all the back exercise, the objective one. Okay children. With this we finished, and whatever worksheet you get to do, see that you do it and learn it carefully. Okay children. So take care and start learning. Do your revision well. Bye children.